looking for ប្រែថាកំពុងស្វែងរកឧទាហរណ៍ថា looking for something កំពុងស្វែងរកអ្វីមួយ looking for somebody កំពុងស្វែងរកនរណាម្នាក់អញ្ចឹងយើងមករៀនបង្កើតប្រយោគជាមួយនឹង looking for ឲ្យបានច្រើនដើម្បីបង្កើនការនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសក៏ដូចជាការចងចាំពាក្យឲ្យបានល្អជាងមុនតោះ I am looking for my phone because I lost it. I am looking for my key. I am looking for my books. I am looking for my pens. អញ្ចឹងយើងចូលដល់ប្រយោគ looking for somebody មានន័យថាស្វែងរកនរណាម្នាក់អញ្ចឹង I am looking for my brother. I am looking for my mother. I am looking for my father. I am looking for my friends. I am looking for my sister. I am looking for job to do. Look at ប្រែថាក្រឡេកមើល Look at something ក្រឡេកមើលអ្វីមួយ Look at somebody ក្រឡេកមើលនរណាម្នាក់អញ្ចឹងយើងមករៀនបង្កើតប្រយោគជាមួយនឹង look at ឲ្យបានច្រើនដើម្បីបង្កើនការហាត់និយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសក៏ដូចជាការចងចាំពាក្យឲ្យបានយូរអង្វែងតោះ look at somebody example I know that you are looking at me right now I am looking at her because I interested in her I am looking at my friends. I am looking at my teacher. I am looking at my boss. អញ្ចឹងយើងចូលមក looking at something ក្រឡេកមើលអ្វីមួយឧទាហរណ៍ I am looking at my phone. I am looking at my car. I am looking at my door. I am looking at the restaurant. I am looking at the tree.
Go for a walk. Go for a ride. Go for a drive. ពាក្យហ្នឹងខុសគ្នាដូចម្ដេចអត់ខុសគ្នាទេយើងប្រែថាទៅដើរលេងដូចគ្នាអត្ថន័យរបស់វាខុសតែមធ្យោបាយនៃការធ្វើដំណើរទៅដើរលេងតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេឧទាហរណ៍ថា go for a walk ទៅដើរលេងដោយដើរយើងដើរលេងទៅ example if you want to go for a walk with me I welcome would you like to go for a walk with your boyfriend or girlfriend អញ្ចឹង go for a ride មានន័យថាទៅដើរលេងដែរតែរបៀបនៃការធ្វើដំណើររបស់យើងគឺជាកង់ជិះម៉ូតូជិះស៊ីក្លូអីចឹងទៅអញ្ចឹងចុចទៀតទៅអញ្ចឹង example would you like to go for a ride with your family would you like to go for a ride with your sweetheart or would you like to go for a ride with your boyfriend or girlfriend go for a drive ទៅដើរលេងដែរមធ្យោបាយរបស់យើងគឺជិះឡានទៅឬមួយក៏ចុចទៀតទៅអញ្ចឹង example would you like to go for a drive with your friend would you like to go for a drive with your teacher with your family with your brother with your sister okay Do you understand the word come out of my mouth? You got this. មានន័យថាអ្នកអាចធ្វើវាបានស្មើនឹងពាក្យថា you can do it. We say this to someone when we want to encourage them. យើងនិយាយពាក្យនេះទៅកាន់នរណាម្នាក់នៅពេលដែលយើងចង់លើកទឹកចិត្តគាត់ឧទាហរណ៍ថានៅពេលដែលគាត់ធ្វើអ្វីមួយបរាជ័យហើយគាត់ចង់បោះបង់គាត់បាក់ទឹកចិត្តយើងអាចនិយាយពាក្យនឹងទៅកាន់គាត់បាន You got this មានន័យថាអ្នកអាចធ្វើវាបានបន្តធ្វើទៅមុខទៀត You ruined my life ប្រែថាអ្នកបានបំផ្លាញជីវិតរបស់ខ្ញុំហើយ you អ្នក ruined with នេះ my life ជីវិតរបស់ខ្ញុំអញ្ចឹងសរុបមកគឺគេប្រែថាអ្នកបានបំផ្លាញជីវិតរបស់ខ្ញុំហើយ You ruined my life Look down on somebody មើលងាយនរណាម្នាក់ Don't look down on yourself Whatever you believe you can achieve it Don't look down on the poor Don't look down on the people you meet You cannot judge people from appearance Don't look down on me After yesterday and today you can judge my result but you cannot judge the result in the future